You got it. Hit it hard. Don't hit it soft. This is a putt-putt. Happy birthday. Birthday to you. Ooh! Son, your cake.
Look at the birthday dog.
Thanks.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Making a little stroll out here. Child. Tell I don't get out much. It sounded like it was a car coming. But I guess cars can't ride out here. But what side are we supposed to be on?
It could be on any side.
Okay. So if we go this way, what's that way?
Huh?
What's this way? All right. So we finally made it to the park. I was just letting you know I was way behind. I was just letting you know I was far behind. The dog park is over there. We know all of that. All right, y'all.
Hi.
Hey, Cypress. Blue popsicle. And the birthday dog. Can't believe I'm doing this. Alright.
Wait, lay down. Look, we're going to the water. It's a baby turtle.
Look at the baby. Trying to get it. Look at you look at my leg. Are you down there looking at my leg? I'm looking at my leg. Hey everybody, I really appreciate y'all watching my video journal. It's really just a journal recording everything that's been going on so my kids will have something to look back on and look back on this delicious Cinco de Mayo meal that I made from scratch. I made all this from scratch. I made the drinks from scratch, and I may start putting out some videos of just little cute little recipes that I do. All the little plates and stuff came from the Dollar Tree. You know, I'm always trying to save $1.
What the heck is bridging?
So I went to my local Ulta to do a little quick lip gloss, lip oil haul. I try to say that a couple of times. And so everyone is on this luxury Christian Dior lip oil. And I tried all of these to do a comparison, and I will give you my review and my thoughts on this at a later time in another video once I have a little bit more wearing out of all of these, and my response will surprise you. Heck, well, it ain't surprised me. I've been doing makeup and wearing makeup for years, but Cypress, you're in the vlog for Mother's Day. That story you're telling me about?
How you said you were going to go to the mall and you got excited and started speeding in the car. You're like, yeah.
I'm not even gonna hold you. The food wasn't all that. It wasn't terrible, but I'm not driving out my way to go back and get a meal. Shout out to my daughter. Thank you for the meal. Thank you for the Mother's Day, girls. So, listen. If y'all paid attention earlier in the vlog, y'all saw the food I made for Cinco de Mayo, and mine was amazing. And I'm not just saying that. So, whatever. We did have good service. It was a nice, fun event. I felt it later. And that's all I gotta say on that. Are you still recording me?
Yes.
What a weirdo.
Hair done by Cypress. Come look with me. Kind of look like
And you know what? A lot of times I don't get out and have a good time because I'm struggling with my weight. I'm struggling with getting older. Although I'm still a bad bee, I'm just working on me. I still work a job, so I don't have a lot of time, but at the end of the day, who am I for? I'm just lazy.
Oh, Lord. You just waved the ball. Stand back, ma'am.
Don't fall over, please.
Don't say that now.
You got this, Mom. Mom, you got it. Hit it hard. Don't hit it soft. This is a putt-putt.
Oh, for real, it's nuts. Chill out. It's the ball now. Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Now do it for real.
Cypress.
go.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, good job, Mom. Mom hit it hard.
Okay.
Oh, good job, Mom. Hey, it went somewhere. Wait, Mom. I was recording how the game worked. Oh, I can't see this too dark. Hey, you got a lot of points. Not more than me, though. Your last shot, Mom. You need a couple more points to catch up with me.
Don't put today's job.
You can see how much should I calculate the shots.
And lady beside her is really good.
Okay, it went in though.
Okay.
I think she has more points than me. Oh no. Wait, does she? Oh, you do have more points than me.
You must have been doing real bad, Cypher.
Okay, it's me again, the food critic. It looked fabulous, but it just tasted like sugar. It's just sweet, no flavor. Those little crispy things were, I could have took a tooth out. But all in all, I did have an amazing time. I had a fun time. I was tired. Oh my gosh, I needed my mid-afternoon geriatric nap. I sure did. But yeah. So I did get the new Solo de Janeiro body mist. And can you guess which one is my favorite? It is a toss-up between the green one, the Bejos, I don't know how you say it, De Sol, and the Crush. Okay, so let me let you know the notes. So this one has juicy notes of crisp pear, pink violet, and white cedarwood. And it's really pretty. I've tried them all. Longevity is okay, but it is a body spray. This one, the green one, has peach skin, coconut milk, and frangipani petals. And the summer Imora. This one is orange flower, creamy almond, and sun-kissed woods. Now, this isn't a in-depth review or anything, but I like them. Cypress is gonna get this one, the summer Imora, because she wants it, and I'm fine with that, and I would just have the other one. So if you want me to come back at a later date and tell you how I enjoyed them and longevity and performance, all those nice things, let me know down in the comments. So I have all these winter pillows that I use on my bed during winter time, and I went to the Dollar Tree. So I got this at my local Dollar Tree. Well, that's a lie. My local Dollar Tree was all out, so I ended up going to another Dollar Tree. And here's the dimensions. And I will show you the after. So it comes with this little screw off thing right here. And you attach your vacuum. And that if you step on it evenly, it'll help it to lay flatter and smoother and not so lumpy. And then you reapply it. And then that's it. I believe this was my first time at the Smoothie King. Let me know. Everything tastes like it's made with artificial sweeteners, so I didn't really love it. Thank you. Look who's going to the 8th grade dance. We have this local store here called Gabe's. Can you believe I paid $9.99 for this dress? I believe it was a dress from Express. Let me know what you think. You ready for your 8th grade? Shindig, shindig. Okay, turn around so we can see this pretty dress. Keep turning. We're not doing that type of video, so keep turning. Alright, tell everybody hi.